The journey continues. Got some free time to ride and some better weather today. So let's hit the airport first, where I see a new jet park today. Let's go check that bad boy out. Looks like a Cessna Citation. That's new as of today. Cool. Got some more planes on the tarmac today. It's good to see. I'm coming to a full stop here because we're getting on the East Side Highway. This is a 60-mile-per-hour highway, and I want to give you an idea just how well the S-Max can take off from a start. So let's do it. Only we're going to cut across a different road to the north. Because I think this is the road I wanted to try, and I'd passed it. Yeah, I think this is the new road, but we'll see where it comes out. Badass looking hill up there. Now we're on Bass Lane, and yes, I am headed the other direction because I had to make another U-turn because I passed another street I wanted to try. This is called Honey House Lane. Let's see where this goes. This is turning into Mason Lane. As you can tell now, we're headed west because those are the mountains on the west side. Just trying to figure out all these back roads. Get used to them one by one. In fact, I think we're going to go right on this next one. I don't even know what it is yet. Here we have Oil Well Road. Hope it's not slippery. Joke. Got a decision to make. This is Willow Creek Road, which I know I've been on before, so I think we're just going to go straight. Can't go straight, no trespassing or parking, and the sign is bent. Actually, there is no sign, so looks like more fun to the right. Yep, to the right. check out that old wagon. All right, what do you think? This is Windsong Drive. Should we check it out? I think it's gonna make a loop, but why not? That's a nice neighborhood. Not a lot of trees, but certainly a lot of open land. Somebody built themselves a garage out here. And I think this is the end of the line, so let's flip around and start heading back to the north. By the way, a tight turn is very easy. Kind of like the Honda PCX that we have in Indonesia, the weight is really low to the ground, and thus it makes it really really simple to maneuver. Both on this S-Max and on the PCX, I'd say they're very simple to maneuver, although I do enjoy the wider tires of the S-Max. Has more of a motorcycle feel, plus that mid-shock, it's a little bit sturdier. By the way, we're going right again, because we just came off this road, we're getting back on it. And but that said, as great as this thing handles, to be fair to the PCX, it really feels like an old Cadillac. Just you hit the bumps and it's a lot softer on you. This one feels more planted. What's it gonna be? Which way? Nobody behind me. Let's take a look. Well, it looks more exciting to the east. Alright, here we are at Somerdale Road, and I think we're gonna go south, which would be to the left. So this is entirely new territory, unexplored yet. Alright, we could keep going straight, but I think we're gonna take Duncan Lane and give that a look-see. Looks like we've got a neighborhood here. Oh, and another court. We're gonna have to turn around. Nice homes. Popham Lane. Let's go to the right. Why not? Alright, now it changes into Mountain View Orchard, or Orch, or something. Building a brand new home out there. Just thought we'd stop here and take a look. This is Swanson's Mountain View Orchards. Looks like it's under development. But yeah, we're way up the east side of the valley now. Somerdale, but we're gonna go straight now instead. steer. Another nice thing about the S-Max. Must mean we're in Corvallis by now, but we're gonna make a left. Heading south, and there's going to be a four-way stop up there. We can go straight down the east side, or we can cut right, which will take us to the main highway. And I think we're going to cut right because I know of a river access down that road, if I remember correctly. Let's give that a shot. Here we are at Woodside Cutoff. And if I remember correctly, yep, there's a Subway here and a Conoco. I wonder if this Conoco has non-ethanol. Oh well, I'll find out another time. Go check it out. What do you say we get out of here and hit the main highway? This was nice. Still early in the day too, only 1:30. Been out riding for about an hour. Highway 93, about to head south.